Hello everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Famous AI tool. The Famous AI platform is praised for its intuitive tools that let anyone create high-quality marketing videos and ads using simple text prompts. Its fast rendering and realistic visuals make it a popular choice for brands seeking quick, professional-looking content without needing advanced editing skills. To use the Famous AI, start by opening the Famous AI website on your browser. If you want to create your account, click on Sign Up in the top right corner. You can create your account by entering your name, email address, password, and confirmed password. You can also sign up with Google. To continue with Google, hit the Sign Up with Google. Now, choose your Google account by clicking on it. Following that, allow Google to access your information by clicking on Continue. After that, it will take you to the home page of your account. On the home page, you will see a prompt box. You can enter any prompt to create a landing page. For demonstration, I have given it a prompt to create a landing page for my e-commerce store of t-shirt. Here, hit the arrow icon to send the prompt. It will start processing your prompt. Then, it will show the landing page on your screen. Scroll down to view the whole page. You will see different options at the top of the landing page. In the top right corner, click on the mobile icon. It will show the view of the page on a mobile phone. You can scroll down here to see the landing page on a mobile phone. Lastly, hit the Publish button if you want to publish it as your landing page. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.